today's video is kind of like a chit-chatty, super chit-chatty, random video. Anyways, guys, that's what today's video is all about. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you decide to stick around. I will have everything listed and linked down below for you guys if you are interested in picking anything up. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. You guys know I'm trying to get that 10K swipey uppy, as well as I'm trying to get Hailey's channel monetized as well for her. She is getting ready to graduate from school and student loan life. I talk a little bit about it later in the video, so let's go over there. Let's get her monetized. Don't forget to check out my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. I upload twice a week over there, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. Eastern time. And over here I've kind of been playing around and tweaking my Monday through Friday schedule as far as the time goes, so definitely make sure you are subscribed, turn on that notification bell. Anywho, let's just go ahead and jump on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually going to do my eyebrows on camera. I've had a lot of people asking me how I do my brows, and I don't think I have like the strongest brow game, especially because I have really bad anxiety. And so one of the things that I do is I'm really bad at like rubbing my eyebrows, so you'll see they're pretty sparse through here. And then of course I have thyroid issues, so out through here is non-existent. Love that. So anyways, yeah, I draw a lot of my brows on, and I'm trying to find, I like to just use a darker brow pencil. This one is just by AOA Studios. It's literally like $1, guys. This is in the shade medium brown. So what I've been doing is trying to take advantage of the fact that I don't have an end of an eyebrow. And you know when that foxy brow started like being really big? That is kind of what's helped me to do somewhat symmetrical brows. Like, are they perfection? No, but it's fine. So all I do is I take a darker brow, and you're supposed to like be all like, ooh, precise. I'm not. I sit here and I do this. And I draw like a straight line. I don't like curve it down really per se. I just kind of do this. So I don't know what kind of line that is, but it's y'all's fault. You asked for an eyebrow tutorial. This is what you're getting. So I darken this line up, and like I said, there's a little bit of a slant, but for the most part it's kind of a straight type of line. Then I go up to the top, kind of like where my eyeball starts, like the color is the iris. We're not profesh. I leave this portion right here. I don't touch it right now. You know how people love that faded look, you know, kind of, it looks a little bit on the natural side. That's what I try and make what I've screwed up right through here. Just trust me on this. Too much talking, Rhonda. You're doing too much talking. So I fill this part in like so and connect it. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can take your little spoolie, kind of brush it around, blend it, what have you. And you can color it in, but like I said, I don't mess with the front part of the brow. Now we're gonna try and do the other side. I am not gonna film this part for you guys because I'm probably gonna lose my mind trying to make it symmetrical. I mean, if you want to look like you got some Botox, just really arch that brow right up, you know what I mean? Try and find the positive in the fact that I don't have ending eyebrows. And I'm like, oh yeah, let's look like we got Botox. We'll make them really arch. Now it's fine because what I do next is I kind of clean everything up using my OFRA Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. I told you it's a multitasker type of product. I love it. And see, you can see I definitely rub more of this side of the brow, so I kind of struggle. So I'll put a little flare in there, but not too much. I always notice back on videos like how off it is, but I'm like, well, you do kind of like screw them up yourself. Anxiety life. So that's my tip. Use a darker pencil, because what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go in with a brow gel. So this is where I fill in the front. So I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Gel in the shade Haze. I do believe this is the lightest shade that they have, and this is where I kind of get that faded natural look. Luckily there are like fibers in this brow gel, and I absolutely love it because a couple things. One, it fills in that sparse area, but as you can see, it's a lighter color than obviously what I've used. So it helps to kind of give that like 3D dimension to the brows. Even though there's not really any hairs on the end, it still somehow like fakes some pretty brows in there. And it's like softened it up too to give it more of that natural look. I just love this stuff. Like, I absolutely love the Milk Kush brow gel. Any type of brow gel, like I said, will work, especially if it's a lighter, because this is how I'm getting that 3D effect, that where it kind of ombres in but like looks natural. So just go in with a lighter brow, brush those puppies in, brush it in, and that's really that's it. That's all I do. And then, like I said, I'll clean it up with my OFRA Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. But I know a lot of you guys keep asking for a brow tutorial, and that's what I got, y'all. So when I go in and clean it up, I love the shade Medium. I use white a lot if I'm doing some colorful looks to really make them pop. But my favorite is the Clean Canvas Eye Base in Medium. I know my code does not work for the eye base, unfortunately, but it does work. Hotmess does work on like the rest of the website, just not on this, unfortunately. So anyways, what I do is I put a good amount on my brush. I just kind of tap it on there and slowly work it up to the brow. I do take a little bit of this and I do apply it underneath, because I do put eyeshadow under there. Plus it helps if you have mature lids. It helps with any wrinkles and crinkles and whatnot. And I will put it all the way over into the corner as well. And then I work my way up and start cleaning up the brow area. And then I just push the rest in with my finger and pick it up with my sponge if necessary. There we go. And that is the look. So I'll have everything listed and linked down below for you guys if you're interested. They will be magic links. So thank you guys in advance. If you do choose to shop my links, I will earn a little bit of a commission. It's no additional fee to you guys whatsoever. It's just a way that I can earn commission to put back into the channel for us. So anyways, guys, don't forget to check me out over on Instagram. I'd love it if you become part of our Hotmess family over here. I upload all the time. Don't forget to check my daughter Hailey's channel out so we can get her monetized ASAP, and check out my vlog channel. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye, guys.